Hello, I'm Paul. Welcome to English Cherry Tree Manor. This is the 20th of June, middle of winter, and behind we can see an avenue of cherry blossom trees. Well, there's no cherry blossoms at the moment, and there's not even any leaves on the trees. But in 3 months' time, we've got a cherry blossom festival, 7 days. We've got a lot of preparation work to do, and well, the trees need to be in blossom then too.
Hi, I'm Anne. I live here. So this place built up by my husband, this Paul Oulton. He spent 27 years to create this garden. This was nothing before. There's only the paddock. He plant everything. He's working very hard. He works at the weekend. He doesn't go out drinking or, socializing. His only work he does is in this garden. So now